So I'm Damien at Bartlett Automotive. I'm at my Peterborough facility today because even the boss does some work, but we're installing another ramp here because we're running out of room quite rapidly. So I've got to put some airlines in and move the tyre changing equipment that's just behind you. So we can just get another ramp in, which is being fitted on Monday. So yeah, got lots to do whilst we're in this facility for the next sort of 18 months, 2 years, just to make it a bit more workable for the guys to do their stuff. So yeah, have a look.